Mr. Alcala's cinematography pathway has lots of opportunities, such as the sports media internship. Here's what the students had to say about what it's like.
It's honestly a great experience. I didn't think about doing the sports internship last year until someone pitched it to me.
I've always been a big sports fan, and so it gives me like a chance to be more involved with all the sports instead of just the one I play.
I've covered football, soccer, and volleyball.
We get like field passes, and we get to go on the field and get like close-up shots, and then at the end we edit it to make a highlight video for like everyone that couldn't make the game for them to be able to see it.
I'd never gone to a football game, so like going sidelined for assist here for my first football game was kind of a great experience.
Recently we did a sports highlight video on the cheer team and like them winning regionals. This year I got my sports show, so I edit videos for that too.
I think it's made me realize my passion for sports media, and it's really enjoyable. It's really fun to do it. It's obviously you film it, but it's not a boring thing you film.